Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Let me speak of a journey. The journey that began with the iconic H5X launch at the Auto Expo 2018 and the one that reset the rules of driving to witnessing a legendary name reveal, Tata Harrier, proudly proclaimed that it was indeed born of pedigree. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing something truly exceptional to you. Our journey with the Tata Harrier has been an exhilarating one. When we embarked on the mission to revamp and elevate this iconic vehicle, we envisioned a dynamic, sporty, and a kinetic masterpiece. Today, I stand beside the embodiment of that vision, the new Tata Harrier. Now let's chat about the incredible work that went into crafting the all-new Tata Harrier. We paid close attention to every little detail. Everything was designed with precision. Whether it's the front grille, which is face of the brand, or the connected LED DRLs in the front and the rear, or the Bhai LED headlamp, each element was designed to give the vehicle a unique, sporty, and a dominant character. When you step inside the Harrier, you'll find that the same sporty character continues. The interiors in the new Harrier look premium yet contemporary, with state-of-the-art digital cockpit and the class-leading connectivity feature. Safety has been taken to the next level with features like 7 airbags, ADAS suite, and SOS call support so that you can enjoy your drives with a complete peace of mind. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the bookings for the new Harrier open today. Come and experience the new Harrier in its all-new avatar. Watch our space for more on the new Harrier.